This was one of our favorite places in Siargao. We came here probably 3 to 4 times and made friends with the people who work here. 10 out of 10. Amazing.
Oh, wow. This actually might be one of the best matchas I've ever had. I love dirty matchas, especially when we're so tired.
Words cannot explain how amazing this place is and how much I love it. Their drinks are next level, and all of their toasts and sandwiches are made with their sprouted sourdough bread, which is to die for. Here's the roasted veggie, and we also got the ham and cheese.
Yeah! Yeah! Outfit of the day, we got these hiking shoes.
Your only shoes?
No socks. I won't even show you the inside because you don't want to see it. Trust me. We got mosquito bites as an accessory. We got scooter crash scars, another accessory. We got a little sarong from Pai. Swimsuit that I designed as a sample for my swimwear brand, but this isn't what they're gonna look like. I've changed the design.
The food in Siargao definitely did not disappoint. We tried to hit as many restaurants as we possibly could in our short amount of time on the island, and every day was just so much fun. In between adventures, we would go and try all the different restaurants.
Oh my god.
Nothing disappointed. Everything was top tier, 10 out of 10. I mean, this food speaks for itself. Are you kidding? Look at that cinnamon roll.
Got one.
Which one?
Got one.
We just tried to check into our Airbnb and it was infested with ticks. Not messing around with that or any sort of infestation of that kind. So they gave us our money back. They're really kind, but we now don't have a place to stay for the night and it's raining intermittently. We have the backpack covers on so our computers don't get soaked. Backpack's on the moped. I just get feeling itchy because I feel like I have a tick on me, but I haven't found any on me. It's just they were all over the room and the floor and the carpet and the tables and everything. So I checked our backpack super thoroughly and I didn't find any on there, but just like, so our whole day has become figuring out where we're gonna stay and getting there and carrying the bags all around town.
This place is one of the most highly rated places here in Siargao. And they have ceviche and what's the other one called? Canilao? I don't know what that means, but she explained the difference between the two and we got one of each. So starting off with this, we're just having so much fun here with the food.
Yo, let's go.
It's our last day here and we're going home to the United States. And starting tomorrow, we're starting our 3-day journey back. And this is our last dinner. We're going all out, just trying to spend up the cash we have. Oh, look at me cry! This is the end of our 7 months of traveling around the world. And eating dishes around the world, food poisoning or not. So what we got going on the menu today, we have a little pumpkin bisque. I always love a good pumpkin soup with some coconut milk. And then we got Jackson's bruschetta with, I don't even know, it looks like it's balsamic and olive oil and
Just delicious.
garlic bread. Just delicious. And then we have pastas coming too.
Wow, I mean, look at this. I mean, for real, for real. We were just talking about how this tiny island, it makes no sense that every place we've gone to has the best food of whatever that cuisine is. Like, we went up, down, left, right in Italy. This is better. This is better pasta. And this is the one Italian place we went to. It's just unbelievable. It makes no sense. What are these supply chains? How'd they get it out here? The rest of the island is just rustic, deserted, whatever. But it exists. It's a miracle.